What's up, guys? Today I'm here. I got a bit of a bad back, and we're with your favorite, Dr. Eddie.
Dr. Eddie here, gonna give Connor a rhinoplastic clackamuck out on his back, and it's gonna be a nice L4579 adjustment, premature adjustment.
You heard it from the best, man. You ready to go?
Let's go and do it. All right, Con. Just yeah, take that pillow here, lay it down. Let's go. Actually, hold on, sir.
Sure.
Right there for me.
Yeah, it's right like in my outdoor garage.
All right, yeah, I'll crack it real nice.
Make sure, Mood, you get close to that when it cracks so you can hear it.
Right now, I'm just loosening up Big Con. Loosen them up real.
When you're about to crack, let it go so you can get close.
Real loose. All right, everybody. Here we go, the big moment. Breathe in, Con.
Okay.
Breathe out big.
Oh!
Nice one. Dr. Eddie just gave him a replacement. Adjustment.
Oh, God. I'll tell you what, I felt that all the way down, dude.
Is it good?
You got the best part right there,
That's
man.
all right, man.
Do you want to crack, man?
No, that's all right.
What's up, guys? Eddie just gave me an adjustment, and I'm gonna give him the common courtesy adjustment now. And we're about to get this started. As you can see in his back over here, see the L4 and L5 is a little bit tender right there. This side's a little bit higher, so we're gonna make sure he's nice and cracked for today. So Ed, why don't you lay down for me? You might want to take your hat off. All right. First thing I'm gonna do is gonna loosen him up. Make sure he's nice and relaxed. Yeah, I feel a lot of tension up here. Are you stressed?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sometimes it comes through the back, man. That's what she said, right? Right, Moose? Yeah. All right, let's loosen him up. All right. There's right there. All right. You ready, man? All right, we'll get a little bit closer here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. You cracked extra.